If you've been looking for easy and best ways for you to make money online just using your phone only, I think I may just have the thing. Hi guys, welcome to Mali Talks, your plug for all things side hustles, how you can make money online, and just generally how you can gain a bit of financial freedom for yourself. In today's video, I actually want to share with you some easy and maybe even fun ways for you to be able to make money online without ever leaving your home. Not only that, all the websites and platforms that I'm actually going to suggest in this video are things that you don't even have to have a laptop, qualification, and or any experience for. All you need in order for you to start is just your phone. If you're new here, welcome. You've just landed on the right video. Don't be shy to join the Money Talks community by just hitting the subscribe button below. And if you've been with us since day one, hey, hi, thank you so very much for coming back. You guys are the reason this channel stays alive. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into it. The first place you can check out if you're looking for a fun and easy way for you to be able to make money is to come on a website called Rent a Local Friend. I actually discovered Rent a Local Friend through TripAdvisor because as someone who's always traveling, I'm always trying to find ways to make my trips and or experiences more fun. So Rent a Local Friend is basically something like a tour guide platform where you can come to find different ways for you to be able to make money by taking people around your local city. As you can see on their website, they work in 866 cities, which is actually quite a lot of places for you to work from. So I'm sure if you were to come onto their website to check if they're available in your city, you might just actually get lucky. In addition, they have over 150,000 travelers who actually use their community on an everyday basis, which obviously means that's the amount of opportunities that you have in order for you to be able to make money. So the question that you might be having is how you're actually going to be able to make money on this website. It's actually very simple. People that are actually traveling, say maybe to your country and or your city, are going to come on a platform just like Rent a Local Friend to find if there are any people in that city and that country that can actually be able to act as a local guard. Also, if you're someone who feels like, you know what, maybe you're not that sociable, but you still want to be able to make money on their website, you can just become a person who is a virtual guide. So basically what you're going to be doing for the people that have come on to Rent a Local Friend is for you to share different tips and hints of how they can actually navigate your city and or your local town. Hence, it's called Rent a Local Friend. You're going to make extra cash sharing your local knowledge to the global community as well as commercial partners network. You're going to share your favorite spots such as bars, restaurants, where they can actually go for date night, things like that. I just feel like it's one of the easiest ways for you to be able to make money. And on top of that, what I like about it is the fact that you do not have to have any experience in order for you to join. Based on my research, I was able to see that you can actually make anything between $20 to $50 per hour by you just being either a physical and or a virtual local guide. And of course, me being myself, I came onto the cities tab to see the kind of cities that they actually operate in. As you can see, Rent a Local Friend is available in a number, and I mean a number of cities around the world. As you guys saw there, they said that they are available in 866 cities. Being someone who's based in South Africa, I obviously scrolled all the way down to see if South Africa is actually one of the countries from which they operate from. And guess what? They actually are. So you can be a Rent a Local Friend participant, whether you're in Cape Town, Johannesburg, as well as Port Edward. So feeling like you want an easy and fun way to make money online, go to the link in the description box where I have put a link to Rent a Local Friend in order for you to start making money. If you've ever heard the term chat to lonely people around the world, this is definitely the definition of that. This platform is called Rent a Cyber Friend, which basically means unlike the platform that we just spoke about, you will never have to physically meet the person. All you have to do is just come onto their platform, register as being wanting to be a cyber friend in order for people around the world who are lonely, who don't have families, or maybe who are even traveling and feeling like they're a bit alone in a foreign country, are looking for someone to just chat to on an almost everyday basis, and they are willing to pay you for your time. Before we can start making money online as cyber friends, I just wanted to scroll all the way to the bottom of the website to click this Become a Cyber Friend here to see what we can actually expect from this kind of work. Are you passionate about anything and looking for ways for you to earn money on the side? So here anything basically relates to the hobbies and or interests that you have, whether it's reading, traveling, going out with friends, etc. On Rent a Cyber Friend, you will receive calls from callers who want to engage with you on matters that you both share, which basically means you're more likely to be chosen by people that seem to have the same interests as yourself. So my suggestion for you is when you come on the website to apply, make sure that you share as much detail about yourself as possible with regards to your hobbies, your likes, your interests, maybe even the kind of products that you actually use and or the kind of city that you stay in. On Rent a Cyber Friend, you can earn from anywhere in the world. All you have to do is sign up, update your profile and wait for the approval. And then of course you're going to earn money. The only disadvantage that I will say about Rent a Cyber Friend is the fact that you always need to look like you're online in order for you to be able to accept call requests. So it's basically similar to being online in a meeting at work where your laptop always needs to kind of be beeping green on the website to show that you're actually online. If you log off or you close off your laptop, then obviously the friends that are around the world that are looking for you are going to assume that you're not available, you're not online, and therefore they're not going to click on your profile. For some people, I know that these websites can actually seem a bit finicky because you feel like, oh my goodness, now I'm needing to accept a video call. But if you're someone who feels like you're sociable, I mean, there's already a lot of people on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook that are showing up every day. You're showing your face, you're doing videos. So basically, you're doing more or less of the same thing, but you're not actually making money. So if you were to come on a platform like Rent a Cyber Friend, you get to change that because you will then make money for actually being seen, for actually putting yourself out there, for actually making friends from around the world, quite honestly. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, for you to be able to participate in Rent a Cyber Friend, you do not need to have any degree and or certificate. You just must have a good internet connection as well as a camera because of course, this is going to be a video calling service. Not only that, you need to be passionate about what you do, which means you need to be someone who's outgoing, who's lively, because you're going to be chatting with other people that need that kind of energy from you, and of course because they will be paying for that service. You also need to be 18 years and above in order for you to be able to apply on Rent a Cyber Friend, and also obviously have a good smile as well as be friendly. Based on my research, you can easily make anything between $12 to $15 per hour on Rent a Cyber Friend. They do pay per minute, so obviously the longer you talk to your friend, the more money you're going to make. So it actually depends on you on how much money you actually want to make. The next place you can go if you want to make some easy and fun money online is called Rent a Friend. This is actually similar to Rent a Cyber Friend. However, with here, I do know that you may need to participate in physical activity with your virtual friend. As you can see on their website, they talk about many different topics that you and your friend can actually participate in. Whether that person is looking for someone to travel with or go to a bar with, take to prom date, go sightseeing, attend a comedy club. The one advantage of being a Rent a Friend participant is the fact that while people are going to pay you for you to accompany them to these different events and take part in all these activities, they are also going to actually pay the bill, buy that ticket if it's an event that requires a ticket. Rent a Friend says if you need a platonic friend to accompany you to that event, show you around town, down out, hang out, introduce you to others, share a common interest, teach you an uncommon craft, etc., you can easily hire one, which is basically where you come in because you are going to be the friend that people come onto a platform like Rent a Friend to hire in order for you to participate in all these other activities. So in my opinion, Rent a Friend is actually something like a merger between the two platforms that we just spoke about in the beginning of the video. Based on my research, most of the people that are on Rent a Friend actually charge anything from $50 per hour in order for them to be able to physically accompany other people to wherever, sports game, etc., as you guys can see. To start your career out on Rent a Friend, you just have to scroll all the way to the bottom of the website and click this Be a Friend tab in order for you to get started. Once you've clicked that tab, you're just going to obviously start your application process, which includes you sharing a bit of your personal details, your name, your surname, where you're from, etc. The good thing about the friends that you're going to find on a website like Rent a Friend is that a majority of them have actually been verified by the site. However, should you feel like maybe you're feeling uncomfortable, then obviously this is not the kind of job and or the kind of side hustle that you can use to make money. But if you're a sociable person who's always out and about anyway, you can just come onto the website and make friends and actually get paid for that instead of just being on platforms where you're not even getting paid for you to actually be online. So I know that trying to be a cyber friend is actually one of the weirdest ways for you to be able to make money online. But the way that I look at it is you chat with your friends every other day online via WhatsApp or any of the other social media platforms, and you're actually not getting paid. So why not turn your time into money by joining the websites that I've actually just suggested in this video in order for you to make friends virtually and also make money in the process. With all that said, I've actually come to the end of this video. If you've made it to this part of the video, it means you find this content valuable. So please do reward me for all the work that has gone into it by just hitting the like button. And again, if you haven't subscribed and you're still on this part of the video, I don't even know why you're wasting your time. I promise you it's absolutely free. Just click the subscribe button and join the Mali Talks community. And also guys, always remember to keep your notification bell on so that you never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Mali Talks. Otherwise, I'm going to see you guys in the next Mali Talks video. Cheers.